Assalamualaikum. Welcome to online classes with Miss Hareem. I've started a new session. You may contact me in inbox. My contact number is right here. So today I want to share a few sentences with you. I will convert these sentences into English. But you can also convert these sentences into English. But how? So the first sentence is मैं इस मामले पर सोचूंगा. I will think over this matter. I will think over this matter. मैं इस मामले पर सोचूंगा. I will think over this matter. Next sentence. मेरे तो रोंगटे खड़े हो गए. I had goosebumps. I had goosebumps. Last but not the least, वो मरने के करीब है. He is at the point of death. He is at the point of death. So you may join my online session, and if you are interested, you are willing to join, and if you want to learn more, then you may contact me on my WhatsApp number. Stay connected. Allah Hafiz.